ganiha sa akong pag-video sa mga nag-display, dunay usa ka programa nga among nasabutan nga dapat sundan before mag-end karon tuiga aron kini pinaka-goal sa ito nga pag-create of consolidated nga marketing. Adunay usa ka malangkubon nga himuon. Akong tanaw, it is the right time now to start looking at establishing our own display center for all products coming from the different groups. So we will start this coming December. I already instructed our RTD to organize an activity to record and classify all our products, starting with our coffee and chocolate. I think 3 years ago, I was in the Netherlands. Dito na mo nakita mo sa katakukay ng balay nga naatanan ng klase ng chocolate. Kung muna itong himuon dinhi karon sa Northern Mindanao, including coffee and other products nga natin, PCD products, mga process aron. Kung dunay mangita o unsa ang produkto sa Misamis or sa Region 10, naatanan nga produkto whether Misamis Oriental, Misamis Occidental, Bukidnon, Camiguin, or Lanao del Norte. On that note, we will allot 1 million capital for every province to start buying all this product para maunang dinhi. We will start it by January. So, katong kung asa mga probinsya, start talking with your governor to send letter of intent para we will start working on 1 million pesos startup capital so that every province will start buying the processed product that we have, particularly sa mga gagmay nga co-op. On a bigger version, we are negotiating 2 big co-ops in Northern Mindanao. To name, Inicio IIT, one of the biggest co-op, Oro Co-op, and Pico. These are our off-takers, meaning sila to atong i-negotiate to also provide us with a collective capital so that we have a common marketing platform for products that is being produced by our small farmers cooperative. Para kining ato mga produkto niya, aduna sa kaugalingon nga marketplace in a digital platform. Buot pasabot, kung naay Shopee o Lazada sa laylay nga product, nasay para sa agriculture products. So the Department of Agriculture has started to set up a digital marketing platform para mga mag-uuma o mga kooperatiba nga dunay produkto ilang ma-register. At the same time, it will be available in the online and even in our collective marketing areas dito sa Cagayan de Oro o guban nga dagko nga syudad. That is a promise, but we want to make it happen starting December. So I tasked my RTD to organize an activity this coming December so that we can account what products that we are capable of producing in a standard or high quality so that we can position it to the market. This morning I have a meeting with one of the owner of the newest established mall along Misamis Oriental. So, ang among nasabutan is for us to take care of the grocery items that is needed by the customer, which means we are going to start counting what we are capable of producing on a regular basis so that as we engage with the mainstream market, we have a product that we can supply on a regular basis. One of that product are the processed products that we have now. Kinahanglan lang yun, we will maintain a certain level of quality and standard para hindi sa tamaulaw sa mga produkto. So I think that is something that we can work forward and we can look into a kind of common platform para kanang mga produkto na yung karon hindi lang mabilis sa inyong pagkatag sa tindahan, kundi madala sa dito sa sentro where we can start positioning it for a better market and better access to consumers who want their products. Ang Department of Agriculture nung sa EI, IMAR, sa Katwatan, ano na yung
National Director, Director Ricardo Otiape Jr. Let us welcome Dr. Luz Guzman, DARMON Field Operations Division. A round of applause.
Sa among Regional Executive Director, Jose Apollo Pacamanan, sir. Good morning. Usa ang atong Regional Director sa BIFAR, sir.